If your 2017 or newer Chevrolet or GMC heavy-duty truck will not start after you change the fuel filter, you can prime the system without a scan tool by using a hidden ignition sequence. You can fix this right now in your driveway by manually cycling the electric lift pump to push the air out of your lines. This happens because the 6.6-liter L5P Duramax engine does not have the manual hand primer pump found on older models like the LML or LBZ generations. When you open that filter housing, air fills the lines, and the high-pressure fuel pump cannot push air through the injectors. You must never keep cranking the engine to force it to start. The fuel pump needs diesel fuel for lubrication to stay cool. Spinning that pump dry will create metal shavings that ruin your entire fuel injection system and cost you thousands of dollars. To fix this, get inside the cab and keep your foot completely off the brake pedal. Press and hold the start button for about 5 to 10 seconds until the dash lights up and the truck enters the service mode. You will hear a steady humming sound coming from the fuel tank, which is the electric lift pump working. Leave the truck in this mode for exactly 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, press the button to turn the ignition completely off and wait for 10 seconds. You must repeat this exact 30-second on and 10-second off cycle 4 times. This forces the pump to move the trapped air through the return lines and back to the tank. On the final cycle, you might hear the humming sound change to a deeper tone as the pump starts pushing solid liquid fuel instead of air bubbles. Once you finish 4 full cycles, put your foot on the brake and start the engine normally. The truck should fire up instantly, with no hesitation. If you skip this, you risk a massive repair that requires replacing every injector and the fuel lines. Taking these few extra minutes to cycle the pump keeps your engine safe and your fuel system primed. If your truck starts and then dies right away, check the seal on your fuel filter housing to make sure it is not sucking air. This simple routine keeps your 6.6-liter diesel on the road without needing a trip to the dealership. Most people forget to wait the full 30 seconds during the pump cycle, so be patient. If you had air trapped in your lines, tell me how many cycles it took for your pump to change its sound in the comments below.